In this channel, we share valid information on how to make money online. Today's video will be a step-by-step guide on a very simple strategy to make money both in crypto, forex, and stocks using one particular candlestick pattern called piercing line. The piercing line is a candlestick pattern that signals potential trend reversal from downtrend to an uptrend. The pattern usually appears at the bottom of a downtrend. It involves two different candlesticks of opposite color, a large red bearish candle followed by a bullish candle that opens far below the close of the previous bearish candle before closing above the midpoint of the preceding bearish candle, signaling end of a downtrend as buyers are becoming stronger than the sellers. Looking at this illustration, this market was selling. The last sell candle that was spotted closed at this point, and the buy candle opened far below the close of this sell candle before closing above the midpoint. This pattern suggests a shift in market psychology from bearish to bullish sentiment, indicating that buyers are trying to dominate the market and change the trend from bearish to bullish. But before you take a buy trade, we need a bullish candle confirmation that will close above the open of this bearish candle. Looking at this second illustration, this market sold to this bottom and the bullish candle was spotted that opened far below the close of this sell candle before closing above the midpoint. This is a perfect piercing line pattern. So we need a bullish confirmation candle that will close above the open of this bearish candle. After that, we take a buy trade. Here are some key points about piercing line. Piercing line is a bullish reversal pattern. The bullish candle should open below the close of the previous bearish candle and close at the body. It needs a bullish confirmation to close above the open of the bearish candle. Buyers are momentarily in control. Don't trade it in isolation. So let's go to live charts and look for some few examples. In USD Chef, the market was dominated by sellers from this point where my cursor is. Getting to this level, a bullish candle opened far below the close of this bearish candle before closing above the midpoint of the bearish candle, signaling end of downtrend. Whenever we spot this pattern, we need a bullish confirmation candle to close above the open of this bearish candle. After that, the market reverses and started buying. Let's look at AUDJPY. In AUDJPY, the market sold from this point to this point. After the close of this sell candle, a bullish candle opened far below the close of this sell candle before closing above the midpoint. This suggests a shift in market psychology from bearish to bullish. And what happened after the market reverses and started buying? This piercing line candlestick pattern is a pattern that you can trade it in all time frames. But the higher the time frame that you spot the pattern, the stronger the reliability. And also you can use this pattern to trade forex, stocks, and crypto. After successfully identifying piercing line candlestick pattern, the next question is, how then do we take entry? After spotting this candlestick pattern, we need to put a line on the open, and we need a confirmation bullish candle to close above the line, and this was a perfect break. At the close of this candle, we take a buy entry and we put our stop loss below this support, and our take profit will be times 3 of our stop loss, and the market moved like 457 pips, which is a good one. Let's look at this second example. In this AUD card, the market sold up to this point and a bullish candle opened far below the close of this bearish candle before closing above the midpoint. This is a perfect piercing line. We wait for a confirmation candle, which is this candle. At the close of this candle, we take a buy entry. We put our stop loss below this support, while our take profit will be times 2 to times 3 of the stop loss. And how many pips did this market give us? The market printed 189 pips. If you just follow it exactly the way I have shown you, your trading history will change for good. If you don't really understand this very well, I advise you watch this video multiple times. Let's briefly recap the key points of this piercing line. It is a bullish reversal pattern. The bullish candle should open below the close of the previous bearish candle and close at the body, at least over 50%. It needs a bullish candlestick confirmation to close above the open of the bearish candle. Buyers are momentarily in control. Don't trade it in isolation. To this point, we come to the end of this video tutorial. If this video makes sense to you, then kindly click the subscribe button below this video. It is free and it does not cost money. And turn on the notification bell so that whenever another new video is released, you will always be the first to see. Also, drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to share this video for others to see. If you're interested in crypto farming, why can't you join our Telegram group where we share potential crypto airdrops that will earn you hundreds and thousands of dollars? All the links are below the description of this video. Thank you and bye for now.